Hey, what's up? First episode.
First one. I am Savvy.
Savvy what?
Stevenson. Oh, last name too? Okay. I go to Columbia College.
Awesome. And what was the subgenre that you picked for today?
What was it? Oh, animals in nature.
Let's get out what we're going to be drinking today.
Let's check it out, Robin.
Let's get it.
Dun, 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 ba, 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 ba,
Because I'm a basic person. Are they good?
Yeah, especially with vodka.
Do they taste really good with vodka?
They're a good chaser.
Woo!
I believe in you. Yes.
Okay, so where are we going right now?
We're going to the corner store.
Why are we going to the corner store?
I'm a pansy and I want chasers.
What are you getting?
I don't know.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yes.
Shit, I did not.
Did you just spill everywhere? Welcome to Netflix and Thrill. This is our very first episode. I have one of my good friends, Savvy Stevenson, with us today.
Hey.
We are doing what category?
Animals in nature.
So we decided to watch The Birds. Yeah, the old Alfred Hitchcock movie, 1963. I'm gonna read you guys right now with the tagline on when we watch. What are we buying it on right now?
Amazon video.
We're buying it on Amazon. So Amazon says, a wealthy San Francisco playgirl pursues a potential boyfriend to a small Northern California town, which slowly takes a turn when birds of all kinds suddenly begin to attack people there in increasing numbers and with increasing viciousness. Birds everywhere. So it stars Tippi Hedren, Suzanne Pleshette, and Rod Taylor, and it's directed by Alfred Hitchcock. So here on Netflix and Thrill, after we get a little drunk, as you guys have probably noticed, yes, this show, I know, it's our first episode, you're probably like, well, what the fuck is this? Well, we do drunk horror movie reviews, and I will have a guest on every week that picks a different subgenre that we will talk about. We will watch a movie, we will review it, and we will just have fun. But right now, I am already buzzed. Today, every episode, we will be going on realscary.com. So this website rates horror movies on the scale of gore, disturb, and suspense. So every episode, we're gonna kind of consult this website and see what they have to say, and at the end, we will rate this movie ourselves and say, yo, this is what we thought. We don't know what you were thinking, but that's how it's gonna be. So, The Birds. Its real scary rating is 5.1. I mean, it's a 1963 movie, so like, who knows? I don't think you'd be in the gore. Nah, yeah, no, Savvy's not into the gore shit. I'm into the gore shit. So maybe it's kind of disturbing, but not like really disturbing. And then the suspense is 6.9.
Oh Lord, no!
What do you think of horror movies?
I think they're boring.
What?
I always fall asleep during horror movies.
You fall asleep during everything! So Savvy is here to apparently not be bored by a scary movie. Yeah. But she picked animals in nature. So like, who knows what she was thinking? We're gonna go watch the movie now. So enjoy, and we'll be back to review it. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Ready for the shit? Yes! Do you feel that bass? What's happening?
So this cute white woman is breaking and entering in several people's places and not getting in trouble for it, per usual.
It's like 45 minutes of no birds.
Where are all the birds?
Where are the birds? Where are the birds? Where are the birds? Oh shit, birds! She got hit by one bird. More birds. Cheers me. More birds. More birds. His eyes. His eyes. Look into my eyes. Oh shit, this bird.
I'm mad.
What?
I'm mad.
Are you? What?
Fuck.
There's no.
Why did they just drive?
What?
They couldn't have thought of a better ending.
No, fuck off, all of it off. I'm gonna pause this shit right now and turn it off and save my motherfucking battery while I cry myself to tears. Okay. Hey guys, so we just watched Alfred Hitchcock's The Bird from 1963, and it was a tough movie to get through while drunk because, as you can tell, the lady next to me is dead. She fell asleep probably, what, 15 times during this 2-hour movie? So what do you think of the movie?
I'm gonna go burn it, I think.
You're gonna go burn the movie?
Not enough action. Too much people walk around talking. Not enough action.
Yeah, this movie, I mean, if we were to reference every other 1960s horror movie, it's a lot of talking, it's a lot of walking around. Back then, horror and gore were really the thing. Like, that didn't happen until like the 80s. I mean, for the first like 30 minutes of the film, she's trying to find someone she met at a bird shop, and then finds him, and then like the birds only attack like every so often, and then at the end when they finally, like, everyone just walks away. It was really interesting and it was really funny at times, and like the 60s humor and shit. But as you can tell, it made my friend fall the fuck asleep. How many times did you see the birds?
Not enough. Not enough bird.
Psycho from Alfred Hitchcock is amazing, but this movie, I don't know what, it's a classic and it just did not work. And I think this movie could definitely at the times be amazing. This movie just is starting to crumble as the times go on. Okay, so we're gonna rate this film. Okay, so gore. How much gore did you see? So like a little bit of blood, right? Just very, very, very little blood. So we're gonna rate it on like a 1, no, not even a 2. Like, I mean, some movies don't even have gore, so we'll rate it a 2. Disturb, how much did it disturb you? Not even, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this movie disturbed us like a 1. And the suspense was maybe a 3 because we were drunk. So right now, on the scale of therealscary.com, we have a 2 for gore, a 1 for disturb, and a 3 for suspense. Oh shit, there's more too. Nightlight factor. This category is not prepared, does not have any influence. Nightlight factor, we are not going to have any nightlight. We're going to go to sleep right after this movie's done. And scream factor, we kind of screamed a lot because we were drunk, so I'm going to put that to a 4. 4, we yelled. We were drunk enough to yell a little bit. So we're going to submit our rating. Yay! Our real scary was 5.1. Wow. Our first movie. There you go, guys. Netflix and Thrill. The Birds. It was a great animals and nature movie. We are so drunk and we are ready to go to bed. So I will see you guys next week with my guest Bree Bracey, and we will be seeing a slasher film. So I hope you guys have a great week and have a good day. Goodbye.